Hello students, exercise 1.2, question number 7. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of a field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for same. Suppose they start at the same point and at same time and go in same direction. After how many minutes they will meet again at the starting point? In this sum, two-person Sonia and Ravi. They have started in circular path of a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one complete round, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for same. And we have to find at what time they will meet again. Sonia takes 18 minutes. Means first we have to find the factors of 18. First 18 is divisible by 2 and we get result 9, and 9 again is divisible by 3, we get 3, and 3 is again divisible by 3, we get result 1. And in same way we can find the factors of 12. 12 is divisible by 2, we get result 6, and 6 is divisible by 2, we get 3, and 3 is divisible by 3, we get 1. So we can write 18 equals to 2 into 3 into 3 means 3 square. Ravi takes 12 minutes means 2 square into 3. They meet after equals to LCM of 18 and 12. LCM of 18 and 12 are 2 square into 3 square. 2 square equals to 4 and 3 square equals to 9. Now 4 is multiplied with 9. We get equals to 36. 36 minutes. They will meet after 36 minutes. Let's start exercise 1.3. In this exercise, we have all similar types of sum. In this, we have to prove any root number is an irrational number. Question 1. Prove that root 5 is irrational numbers. In similar way, we can prove root 7 is irrational number. First, let assume a contradictory that root 5 is a rational number. Means we have to assume opposite of what we have to prove. Means I have assumed root 5 is a rational number and I have to prove that I have assumed a wrong statement. Means we can say that root 5 is an irrational number. Let's start. Root 5 equals to a by b. Here a and b are co-prime numbers. So this b is in division, on other side it will go in multiplication. So I can write root 5 into b equals to a. Now squaring both the side, I have to square this both the side, means root of 5 square is equals to 5 and square of b is b square, and a square equals to a square, means a square is divisible by 5. Now a equals to 5c. Here c is any one integers. So I can write 5b square equals to 5c square, means 5 same b square 5 square is 25 and c square. So this 5 is divisible by 25, so I cut it from, and I get result 5. So I can say b square equals to 5c square. So b square is divisible by 5. So I can say b is also divisible by 5. So by 1 and 2, a and b have a common factors 5. So this contradictory arrays have been incorrect. So we can say that root 5 is irrational number. Question number 3. In this I have to prove 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Let us assume that 1 by 2 is a rational number. So 1 by root 2 is equals to a by b. So we have to cross it Cross multiply b into 1, we get b, and root 2 into a. Now I get b equals to root 2a. So I can say b by a equals to root 2. Now b by a is in form of p by q. Then it is rational number. But root 2 is irrational number. So this contradictory is arisen because of our incorrect assumption. So we can conclude that 1 by root 2 is irrational number. In similar way, we have to prove 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Let us assume that 7 by root 5 is a rational number. So we can write 7 by root 5 is equals to a by b. Here a and b are co-prime numbers. I can say root 5 equals to a by 7b. This 7 is in multiplication, that goes on other side of equals to, it comes in division. So a by 7b is in form of p by q, then it is a rational number. But we know that root 5 is irrational number, so we can say that our assumption is incorrect. So we can say that 7 by root 5 is an irrational number.